is the only planet in our solar system that sustains life. All kinds of plants and animals live on Earth. The word environment denotes the surroundings or external conditions influencing the development or growth of people, animals, and plants. Thus, we can say that the physical and biological conditions in which a living organism lives collectively make up its environment. Animals and plants also play an important role in our life. We cannot live in isolation from other forms of life because we depend on them for our food and other necessities of life. Thus, it is necessary to understand the processes that support our environment. Land, water, air, and living organisms are the four major components of environment. They can be grouped into two major categories: abiotic and biotic environment. Abiotic environment. It is also known as the physical environment as it comprises land, water, and air. A change in the physical environment brings about a change in the biotic environment. Biotic environment. It is also known as the biological environment as it comprises mankind, plants, animals, and other living organisms. Biological environment largely depends on the physical environment. Both components of environment, that is abiotic and biotic, are inseparable. Geography studies the interrelationship between living organisms and biotic elements. The biotic and abiotic elements of the environment are dynamic in nature. As sun is the major source of energy, all the changes in the abiotic environment are powered by the solar energy. The constant circulation of air and water brings about changes in the climatic conditions in different seasons. These changes affect the biotic components. All living organisms, plants and animals, depend on abiotic environment for their food. They depend on land, air, water, and sun for their basic necessities. These components of the abiotic environment also affect the biotic elements in a number of ways. New species of plants and animals evolve, and if old species fail to adapt to changing environment, they become extinct. Human beings also bring changes in the physical environment by different activities like mining, road construction, agriculture, quarrying, and others. The interaction between the elements of physical and biological environment are responsible for all variations in vegetation, soil, and distribution of plants and animals. Biosphere. The life-bearing layer of the Earth's surface is called the biosphere. This is a small zone of interaction of air, water, and land where living organisms survive. Some of the organisms live in the air slightly above the surface of the earth. Some organisms live in water, and remaining organisms live on the surface of the earth. The biosphere is a unique feature of our earth. It is because of this zone that life can exist and flourish. This zone provides us all our necessities. Life is not possible outside the limits of the biosphere. Biosphere consists of a great variety of flora and fauna. Life is not possible on other planets as they do not have the biosphere. All the elements of biosphere are dynamic as they derive energy from the sun. The sun, petroleum, coal, running water, etc. are